Hello, my name is Hannah Epstein. I am a sustainability specialist at the New York City Public Schools Office of Energy and Sustainability. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating our partner resource directory for the Climate Action Days. The first thing that you do is you're going to open up your preferred web browser. You're going to type in bit.ly/partner resource directory. Once you click enter, it'll automatically take you to the resource database that we have created. It's originally going to look empty, but don't worry, it's not. All of our partners that have submitted a resource for schools to use can be found over here. If you just click the caret, you can see all the individual resources. So you can go through one by one if you want, or you can use our filter option. Click these three lines, the filter button, and you're going to filter whatever options you need. So for example, let's say I'm looking for resources for the Energy Climate Action Day. It'll automatically populate with all of the resources that our partners have submitted. If you want to go a little bit more in depth, you can add even more filters on top. So if I wanted a field trip, for instance, and if I wanted it to be middle school and only 0 to 2 hours, these are all of the options that our partners have submitted that you could use that meets your criteria. The goal of this filtering system is so that educators can be directly connected to the resources that our partners offer, so it takes the legwork off of the Climate Action Day planning. If you have any questions, please email me at hepstein3@schools.nyc.gov. Thank you.